Okay, in this question we want to find the first four terms of the following sequence. We have an, which equals n squared divided by n plus 3, and also an, which equals negative 1 raised to n times n squared. And this is our first question. So we want to find the first four terms. We weren't told what the first term is, so we assume it's going to be 1. So when we simply plug in 1, we get 1 squared divided by 1 plus 3. So the answer is going to be 1 divided by 4. Now we do 2. So 2 squared is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now we do 3. 3 squared is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. We can simplify it or we can just keep it as this form. And lastly we do 4. So 4 squared is 16. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now the second question we do the same thing. So we plug in 1. So negative 1 raised to 1 would be negative 1 times 1 squared, which is 1. So we would get negative 1. 2, we would get negative 1 squared is going to be 1 times 2 squared is going to be 4. 3, we go negative 1 raised to 3, which will be negative 1 times 3 squared, so 9. Negative 1 times 9 is negative 9. And 4, negative 1 raised to 4 is 1 times 4 squared is 16. 16 times positive 1 is 16. And this is all we need to do to get the first four terms.